Hi, I'm Becky Spieth, the Direct Sales Specialist and the Christian Direct Seller. You are receiving this video because someone cares enough about you and your direct sales business to offer you the opportunity to get in on this life-changing course. It's called Unlock the Mystery. Discover how to sponsor, book, and develop almost anyone. We will be discovering personality, communication, leadership styles, as well as generational influences and how to really connect with your prospects for bookings, clients, team members, and then also developing your leadership within your team. I strongly recommend that you take advantage of this course. I don't know when I'll ever offer it at this low price, and because the person sent this video to you cares enough about you, I'm going to let you in on an incredible deal for only $70. Normally, this course is valued at over $300, and we're charging $100 to everyone else. But I want you to be able to take advantage of this because someone cares enough about you and I care enough about your success. I want you to be really successful. Learn how to really connect, get the yeses, understand beforehand, what do they really want to hear? What do you really need to say to them? This course includes 4 live training calls. It's going to include the handouts, instant replay for you so you'll be able to replay the training as many times as you'd like. Unlimited email coaching, as well as all kinds of other perks. One of the really great bonuses that we're offering you is the DISC profile system. This is regularly a $28 value, and you're getting it absolutely free, as well as other bonuses. So hopefully you'll take the time to check it out. Email me at becky.spieth@yahoo.com, becky.spieth@yahoo.com, or you can find me on Facebook under the Christian Direct Seller or Direct Sales Specialist, or just my name, Becky Spieth. Hopefully we'll connect, and I really want to encourage you to take advantage of this. I want you to not have your direct sales business seem like a mystery, be a frustration. I want you to have the success you deserve, and hopefully you'll join us on this. You can also reach me by calling my office line, which is 210-530-8357. I hope to connect with you soon and to work with you.